In this video, I will show you how to install OSArmor. Double-click on the installation file. Click Yes in the User Account Control window. Check the option I accept the agreement and click the Next button. Click Install button to begin the installation. Now, click the Finish button to close the installation window. Double-click on OSArmor icon in the system tray to open the main window. Now, let's check the license status of OSArmor. Click on Help, then on License Status. By default, OSArmor is started in 30 days trial mode. If you bought a license, you can paste your key here and click the button Activate. To manage OSArmor, simply right-click with the mouse in the system tray icon to view all available actions. You can disable protection, open configurator, and much more. That's it! OSArmor has been installed in your system and will automatically block suspicious processes.